In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save Gmail attachments to Google Drive. Fix Today here, let's begin. First, go to the Gmail website and make sure you're already logged into your account. Once your inbox loads, locate the email that contains the attachment you want to save and click it to open the message. After opening the email, scroll down to the bottom of the message body where Gmail displays the attachment card. Attachments usually appear as small file thumbnails that show the file name and file type. Move your mouse over the attachment. When you hover over the file card, a few icons will appear that allow you to interact with the attachment. One of these icons is the Add to Drive icon, which looks like a triangle. This option allows you to save the attachment directly to your Google Drive without downloading it to your computer. Another option is to open the attachment first. If you want to preview it before saving, click the attachment to open the preview window so you can see a larger view of the file. Once the preview opens, look at the upper right corner of the screen. You will see the Add to Drive icon there as well. This is another way to save the file to Google Drive if you prefer to review the attachment first. If you want the fastest method, you can simply hover over the attachment in the email and click the Add to Drive icon directly from the attachment card. Gmail will immediately begin saving the file to your Google Drive. If you are viewing the file in the preview window, click the Add to Drive icon located in the top right corner. This will also send the file directly to your Google Drive storage. To confirm that the file was saved successfully, open a new browser tab and go to drive.google.com. Once your Google Drive loads, check the Recent section or the My Drive folder. The file you just saved from Gmail should appear there. That's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and help support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next video.